Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hop. In this lesson, we are given that the standard deviation for a test is 4.2. What is the probability that someone scores a 70 on this test if the average is 80? We can recall from the lessons that test scores follow a normal distribution. And we know some sections of the normal distribution and what their probabilities are, since the area under the curve is the probability. The peak here is the mean, and we can split up the normal distribution into sections based on how many standard deviations away from the mean we are. So this section right here is 0 to 1 standard deviations away, and on both sides it has a probability of 0.34. The next section is 1 to 2 standard deviations away, and it has a probability of 0.13 of occurring. The next section is 2 to 3 standard deviations away, and that has a probability of 0.02 of occurring. And of course, on this side, it's the same thing. In order to find how many standard deviations away from the mean we are, we need to find the z-score. And we know the formula for the z-score is this. We're given that x is 70 in the question, the mean is 80, and the standard deviation is 4.2. So we can just put that all into there, and we get z is equal to 70 minus 80 all over 4.2. The numerator is negative 10, and using a calculator, we find that this is equal to negative 2.38. This number right here puts us in the range of negative 2 to 3 standard deviations away from the mean. And we know that probability is 0.02. So we can say the probability of scoring 70 is 0.02. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you in the next lesson.